In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to detach audio from video clips in Shotcut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to separate your audio from your video so you can edit them independently and get more creative control over your project. Let's start with the basic setup so you're ready to go. Open Shotcut and add your video clip to the playlist. This is your staging area where media lives before it goes into your edit. From the playlist, drag the clip down into the timeline. The timeline is where all your editing actually happens, and it gives you a clear view of how your video and audio are arranged over time. When the clip is on the timeline, you'll notice wavy lines running across it. Those wavy lines are the audio waveform, and they're a quick visual cue that the clip's sound is currently attached directly to the video. Now, imagine you want the audio to keep playing while the visuals change, or you want the video to end earlier, but let a voiceover continue. Maybe you want to cut to B-roll, keep narration flowing, or just adjust pacing without breaking the sound. To do any of that, you need to separate the audio from the video so you can work on each track without affecting the other. Here's how to detach the audio. First, click once on the clip in the timeline to make sure it's selected, then right-click on the clip to open the context menu. From that menu, choose Detach Audio. As soon as you do this, Shotcut splits the clip into two parts. Your audio is placed on its own audio track directly below the video track, and the original video clip will no longer show those wavy lines. That change is your visual confirmation that the audio and video are now independent elements. With the audio and video separated, you can edit them individually. You can shorten or replace sections of the video while the audio continues without interruption. This is perfect for cutting to different visuals, tightening up your edit, or ending the visual earlier while keeping narration, ambient sound, or music playing. Because they're on separate tracks, trimming the video won't automatically cut the audio, and trimming the audio won't touch the video. As you make changes, keep an eye on your playhead, listen in the preview, and make small adjustments so the timing stays natural and your edit feels seamless. That's all you need to detach audio from a video clip in Shotcut and start editing with confidence. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.